Alright, now let's start it off. We're gonna make a peanut colada hits. Alright. So right here I have some fresh pineapple which I did cut up earlier. I'm gonna show you how to do this one. So, you know what I mean, as I said, it's a brand new recipe from Chef Ricardo this morning. Yeah. So we just did a video on the natural juice. So I'm gonna do a video now on this one right now to show you how to make this an amazing drink, alright? Fantastic. So if you are in the Caribbean, this is what you normally want to do. You want to make sure you get this kind of drink. So we're gonna start it off with some ice. So you have to have some ice in the blender. Alright? And I'm gonna show you exactly how to make this one. Get yourself some ice in the blender. That's the first thing what you want to do. And then you want to get some strong Jamaican Red Navy rum. We're going to put roughly about a teaspoon inside of it. That's look a little bit strong. Alright, this is going to be a very quick recipe. We're going to put a tablespoon of sugar for extra sweetness to it. That is lovely. Wow, smell that rum, man. It's very strong. Thirdly, we're going to get some pineapple, which we're going to put also inside of it. Alright, so that's the pineapple which I cut up a little bit earlier. Was some fresh pineapple which I cut up. I'm using some fresh pineapple. Alright, so we're using a portion of pineapple straight inside of it. And now the secret is to get some coconut milk. Alright, this is a coconut milk. It's a simple recipe, guys, which I'm sharing with you this morning how to make this one. Alright, so we're gonna get some coconut milk and pour straight inside of it. Alright, that is lovely. And thirdly, we're gonna get some pineapple juice. Alright, make sure you wake up the pineapple juice when you're blending it. Alright, so get some pineapple juice and put it straight inside of it. Alright, let's get a few more pieces of ice inside of it. That is lovely. Alright, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it to the blend right now, alright? Yeah, let's blend this. Alright, yeah, look at that, beautiful and nice. So we're gonna blend this right now. Let's see what's going on with it right now because wow, that is fantastic. Look at that, beautiful. Look at it, nice and lovely. That is perfect, 100% perfect. But you don't know now, I think it's a little bit too runny. It's a little bit too runny, guys. All right, but we can sort that out. All right, it should be a little bit more thicker. All right, so what we're gonna do, all right, to be honest with you, it's a little bit too thick right there. Trust me, it's a little bit too runny. All right, I didn't want it to so runny. I think I put too much pineapple. No, not pineapple. I think I put too much coconut milk in it. Yeah, I put too much coconut milk in it. Alright, now let me make we get this correct up. Alright, so I'm gonna correct it up back. Alright, so what we're gonna do right here, very nice, trust me guys, it's amazing. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna correct it up back by get a little bit of more pineapple. So we're gonna put some pineapple inside of it. All right, now we're gonna correct it up. Look at this, pineapple inside of it. All right, because I make it a little bit too runny. It's not supposed to be runny like that. All right, so It's a little bit too runny. Put some ice in it. So we're gonna just correct it up a little bit, alright? Have to have a lot of ice. A little bit more sugar for the sweetness. And a tiny little bit more rum. Not much. Guys, remember you have a lot of rum in it. Don't wanna get drunk. So we're gonna blend this now, alright? We're gonna blend this portion. But I'm just giving you the recipe. We'll just show you exactly what you can do to make this at home, alright guys? Yeah. Alright. So now this is better. Alright. Yeah. So this is good. Because I know it's because I did a video on it before. So I know exactly. You see? It's supposed to look like this. Perfect. Alright, let's taste it. Wow. This is amazing. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Very cool and nice. Taste the rum, the coconut milk, and what you can do, trust me, add a little bit more ice in your right here. Alright, and then pour that beautiful, look at that, fantastic and amazing, beautiful guys. That is so lovely. The flavor, the texture is amazing. Alright. Wow. It is fantastic. You don't want to be drinking too much of this because, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's very strong. And you do not want to get yourself turned over, alright? So be careful when you make it. Don't put too much of the Jamaican rum inside of it. Very, very strong. Alright, guys? Beautiful one from Chef Ricardo this morning, as you can see right here, alright? You can make this at home, guys. It's fabulous. Amazing. The texture of it. It's just like Maculus, 100%. Alright? So basically, all over the weekend, when you guys are this weekend, you can make this one, alright? It's beautiful. Alright? It's fantastic, guys, 100%. Trust me. I didn't know that come out so wicked because I said to myself, you know what, I only have a few little things. So, yeah, and I said, I'm gonna try it. Alright? But the recipe, guys, is so simple. Alright? Trust me. It's so simple. Alright? Now, let me show you exactly how I did it. Because a lot of people might have missed the video. Because I got some more pineapple. I'm going to make a small one. Pineapple into your glass. Into your blender like this. Alright? Get your pineapple into the blender. You have to use some fresh pineapple, guys. It's better for you to use a fresh one. Alright? Yeah. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm using some coconut milk right here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut milk in it. Alright. A little bit of a pineapple juice. Alright. Some Jamaican white rum. I'm gonna make a small one to show you. Just a tiny bit of white rum. Don't use too much because you don't want to get drunk. Alright. And then get yourself some ice. Alright, this is amazing drink, guys, 100%, trust me. This is fantastic. And then, what you want to do, you just want to put some, you can use honey if you want, or you can use whatever you want to use. I'm going to put a teaspoon of sugar inside of it, because, you know what I mean, yeah, that's going to bring in a sweetness to it. Beautiful. Alright. So this is a small one I'm showing you what to do. And then we're going to blend this. Alright, let's blend it. Alright. That is Amazing, guys. Trust me, you need to make this one, guys. Alright, now, make you guys can see. Oh, there's a piece of ice. Look at this. Get your glass. And then, a little bit runny, but it's good. Trust me. Beautiful. You guys can make this at home. Simple and delicious. Alright? It's supposed to be like this. Alright, but it's fine. Really nice. Look at that. The texture of it. Wow. Wow. Alright, guys. That's it from Chef Ricardo today. Big up on yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in. We got a lot more recipes coming and a lot more ideas. Alright? Please tell a friend.